Not all competitors' ads matter, only the ones that are actually making money. In this video, I'll show you how to filter out the noise and identify the top 1% of best performing competitors' ads. Copying random competitor ads is how you copy failure. Basically, if you copy a competitor ad that is losing money, you'll lose money too. You need to learn how to spot the winners based on longevity and iteration. It's the difference between guessing and knowing. Let's find the ads that are actually winning. You don't have access to the ROAS data? I understand. It's still possible to spot winners. Here's how. We're going together to build the winning ads filters in a few minutes. You can do this manually, of course. Today, I'm also going to feature a platform called Panorama. On Panorama, you can track all your competitors automatically, so you don't even have to think about it. On the ad side, for instance, you're going to be able to capture all their campaigns, whether they're on Meta, Google Display, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, or LinkedIn. And you're going to be able to see which ads are performing the best for them right away using the exact same framework that we're highlighting in this video. Get started today, and on top of just the ads, you're going to be able to track emails, landing pages, reviews, organic posts, and much more, getting live insights, live AI, and ranking that are automatically updated for you. So today, I'm going to teach you the 3-week rule and how to spot creative iterations. Then we will take a look at how to organize these creative winners into a brief for your design team. We'll use signals such as longevity, variations, consistency, and my favorite, funnel alignment. Then we'll group all these winners by angle so you can create new ads for you, not just clones. And I'll show you how to turn this into a creative testing roadmap. So first of all, let's collect your competitors' last 50 creatives. On Panorama, you can do this automatically. It takes a click. Then identify which kind of creative repeats and the main family. Again, Panorama automatically done for you. Then map each one of these ads and these offers to a specific landing page. By the end, you'll have a short list of likely scaling ads you need to learn from. Again, Panorama does this automatically for you. Quick thing here. You should avoid the random hunt the web approaches, looking at multiple libraries for each one of your competitors. You'll spend hours while, again, you know the drill, Panorama automatically for you. So now you have the ads, you have the landing page, and you're able to look at the full flow, ad, landing page, offer, and CTA. One concrete technique that I like is to sort your competitor ads by most detected or most active to surface the ones that are the most used, and it's the best proxy in terms of performance if you don't have the real ROAS of your competitor. The truth is, I'd like to get it too for you and even for me. We don't have access to their ROAS, and at the end of the day, it's probably a good thing because otherwise they would also have access to yours. So we need to use something else. The longevity is the best proxy for this, and that's of course something that you can find on Panorama, and you can just sort all your competitor ads in a click to see which one they're using the most. Then you can analyze their copy and their offers and specifically spot the ones that they're reusing again and again. You can scan all their ads for the repetitions of headlines, hook, what no one tells you, POV, my number one secret, discount, their main value propositions, the main promotions that they're highlighting, maybe it's a bundle, a discount, free shipping. If they reuse the same messaging across many creatives, assume it converts. So yes, doing this manually can take a lot of time, but this is how it works. Again, this is why we exist. Panorama does this automatically for you. Panorama will also categorize everything that you find. For each ad, we will capture their angle. Is it a benefit or a feature or a social proof? The kind of offers, the kind of format. Is it a UGC, a static, a video, a founder-led ad, and their landing page as well. On Panorama, this is called Creative Analytics. And once you have enough of this data, you can turn these competitor ads insights into your tests. Again, don't copy the ad, copy the structure. Copy the hook, then the proof, and or the offer, and test one variable at a time. And today, if you only need to remember one thing, it's winners repeat. The ads that survive and the messaging that reappears are your best clues to what's working right now. Even specifically, with AI, it's now easier to actually launch dozens, hundreds of ads every week. The messaging that works is the one that stays alive. This is what you need to spot on your competitors' ads. I do not expect you to spend hours on each one of your competitors to actually understand across all the hundreds of new ads that are launching which messaging is the most present. You can do this manually. It's probably going to take you hours every day, every week. Panorama does it automatically for you.